GM and welcome to a new video. We need to talk about Kaito because actually today is the TGE that really was unexpected. Last week's video on Yaps and Kaito was just another video of my Yaps journey, and I thought we could make a lot more on this. I had a long time where I didn't earn any Yaps. Now I'm back to earning through my own Yaps and some referral Yaps, thanks to that. But the most important part is TGE is today and the claim is live. And I want to go through the claim process with you so you know how to do this. First of all, they announced the tokenomics today. I don't want to bore you with those. The links, as always, are all down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any upcoming videos on Kaito, on Abstract and all the other platforms and airdrops I make videos on. Now, the tokenomics are live and also the claim. The trading will start soon as well, for example, on Binance, but of course on all the decentralized exchanges as well, for example, on Uniswap and many others. The token is on Base. And how do you actually claim? If you just go on the normal Kaito site for the Yaps, it's yaps.kaito.ai, then you can see this if you click on your profile up here. And now we have a new banner here. Kaito claim is now live. Head over to our official claim site to claim your Kaito today. Your infofi journey starts here. Now we click on get started. Hi, since Yaps launched in December 24, 100 new friends have joined you along the way. 40 more in a circle CT are now following your journey, including Whale, for example, and many other influential people on X. Thanks for following, and of course all the other people following me. Now it's time for the next chapter. Here's your key to the infofi future. Start now. And that opens claim.kaito.ai. Carefully review the terms of use and privacy policy below before continuing. So you actually need to read and scroll through this to accept and continue. Feel free to go through this. I don't want to go into detail here. It's totally up to you to accept and continue here. And then you need to connect your X account. And this is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna authorize the app and I can claim 410 Kaito. So at the time of the claim, I had roughly 15 Yaps. If you had a Genesis NFT, then you also need to connect your EVM wallet to claim your allocation for this. Now I need to connect my wallet and then I need to pay some ETH to claim, and then the gas fees are only less than a cent because we're on Base, which is nice. And then I can go in here and do the actual claim. Let's do this. I signed the transaction. Your claim is successful. And now I can stake to vote or sell it. If you decide to sell your token allocation, you can do this, for example, on Uniswap. As you can see here, I have my allocation here and that would be roughly $500 right now. So it's trading at about, this is the CoinGecko link, $1.20. And if you decide to stake, then you can here link wallet to stake. If we click on link wallet to stake, then it takes some time, but then there should be a pop-up directing you to connect your wallet. It seems to be down right now because too many people trying to access the site. But then, here we go. So it took some time until this actually popped up. Then we can choose all our Kaito, stake it, and then vote with it. I will do an update in the coming days on what you can do with your staked Kaito, how the price developed and all of this. This was just a quick video on how to claim your Kaito allocation. I hope that all of you got a lot of Kaito. Let me know how much you got, if you directly sold all of it, if you decided to stake. I'm still not sure. I'm gonna take a look at how the price develops. That being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.